Hey, I'm Brylan,
I'm Lisa.
and this video might possibly be the biggest announcement we have ever made on this channel, and we are so excited about it. But first, this video is sponsored by everybody that supports us on Patreon. What a wonderful...
Babe, nobody supports us on Patreon.
That's right. But hopefully you can help us change that. So that's the announcement for this video, is that we started a Patreon page. So the link for the Patreon page will be in the description below, so you can go check that out. But in this video, we want to break down and actually show you what our Patreon page looks like so that you can get an idea of what to expect when you join a particular Patreon tier. So stick around in this video because we're going to break down our Patreon page for you and you don't want to miss it. And we would hope that you would come alongside us, join us on Patreon, and help support what we're doing here on this channel because we have huge plans.
Yes, we do.
And I think that having Patreon can help us achieve those goals, not only for our sake, but for yours.
But seriously, if you have been a subscriber of ours and you enjoy our content and want us to continue making content and get better at making content, we would love for your support on Patreon. And it's also just a way for us to create an even deeper and closer community, which we're going to get into.
So we can connect on Patreon and have all kinds of different interactions outside of just, you watching our videos. We can have personal interactions on a deeper level. And I think that's what excites me the most about having Patreon, is just the deeper interactions we can have with each and every one of you personally.
Yeah, exactly. We post videos, you guys get to see them. We see your comments, so there's a little bit of interaction there, but we would really like to actually get to know you guys. Yeah. So see you face to face and know who you are.
So quickly, we want to take you on a little joyride of our Patreon page and just give you the lowdown, what you can expect from each tier. So let's do that. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Do you want to do it?
Say yes by giving this video a thumbs up.
So here it is, the Brylan and Lisa Patreon page. Biblical perspective on current topics, live Bible study, growing in your relationship with Jesus. That is what our channel is all about.
Yeah.
And thank you for being a part of it as well. So let's check out some of the tiers here that we have to offer for our patrons. So first is going to be the mustard seed.
This is just a way to say thank you. It's like buying us a cup of coffee each month. It's just $3 a month. Just a small way to support our channel.
And then there's the neighbor. Okay, and the neighbor is 17 cents a day. So you get limited access to the Patreon board. You don't get every post, but you get quite a bit of the post.
Yeah.
A weekly prayer thread.
It's just a way for us to lift each other up in prayer as a community each week.
Yeah. And we'll also shout your name out at the end of every video. Your name will be in the credits at the end of all of our videos so that everybody that watches our channel can know that you helped make it happen. Next is the fellowship. I love this tier, okay?
Yeah.
I'm just going to say the fellowship. It reminds me of the Lord of the Rings. I get those vibes here. The fellowship is a wonderful tier. It's $10 a month or 34 cents a day.
Yeah.
This is where a bunch of exclusives open up on our Patreon. When you join the fellowship, not only do you get everything else that we already talked about, but you get a monthly faith printable, which is what?
It's going to be something like this. It's going to be different every month, but these are things that I make for Etsy. This one's what God tells us to pray, has different things that you can pray for and scripture to support it. So each month it'll be something different having to do with prayer or Bible study. You'll get the first access to it for free. You can download it and print it out, and hopefully it'll help you grow in your relationship with the Lord.
So you also get a devotional every 2 weeks. So what we want to do here is offer encouragement, a devotional that will help encourage you in your walk with the Lord. That's every 2 weeks, twice a month. And also, this might be one of my favorite things here, the Zoom Hangout.
Yes.
So we're going to have Zoom Hangouts. So we get to hang out and see each other face to face. We get to see you. You see us already, but we don't get to see you.
Yeah.
Like, what's up with that? We want to see your face, and we want to get to know you on a personal level. And the fellowship will help us to do that.
Yeah.
Hence the
fellowship.
Yeah, we get a fellowship with you. And that's such an awesome, beautiful thing. And we can't wait for that to happen. And you get to be a part of our creative team. So what this means is that you get to brainstorm ideas for videos for us. We get to run ideas by you. You can run ideas by us. And then we can just brainstorm how to create the best content for this channel. And everybody will know that you helped make it happen.
Yep.
Oh, and as well, as far as being on the creative team, we want to reach out and help you guys grow in your relationship as well, and grow in the ability to maybe write devotionals and help share devotionals that you want to share.
Oh, yes.
And just help you really grow in the work that you want to do in Christ as well. So we want to help build you up as you're helping build us up.
And then also, we want to send you our yearly family Christmas card.
Yeah, which that'll be fun. And it'll be a Christmas card from our family to yours every single year that you're a patron. So the next tier is the sower. And these pictures are so cool. Shout out to
they're
Lisa for
fun.
making these. So the sower is...
$20 a month, only 67 cents a day.
So what you'll get in this one is you'll get everything that you got in the past year, but you'll get a handwritten birthday card as well every single year. So we'll hand write you a birthday card and send it to you on your birthday. And that just sounds so fun. I would love it if we got one back. Maybe.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, birthdays are a big deal in our family, and we want you to be a part of it. So we want to celebrate your birthday with you.
Also, what you'll get in the sower is a vocal thank you shout out in every video. So not only will your name be in the credits, but we will actually vocally shout you out. Hey, thanks, Billy, for helping make this happen. Our Patreons, or insert your name, and we'll give you a vocal shout out.
But my name's not Billy.
All this time?
And also, when you join this tier, we want to send you a handwritten letter from us just sharing our hearts for this channel and just as a thank you for supporting us in this huge way.
Yeah, so when you're a part of the sower, we can be pen pals. We can write letters like the good old days. Next is going to be the cheerful giver. You're going to see verses along with each one of these as well. Look those up because they go along with the theme. And it's just a fun little fun fact, a little Easter egg there for you. It's fun. This is $1.67 a day. What this adds is that you get everything in the previous tiers, okay? Everything. But you also get a video request. So you can request any video you want for us to make. Within reason.
Yeah.
It's something that you can say, hey, make a video on this, and we'll do it.
And also, we would like to meet you and talk with you personally in a personal Zoom call. Just get to know you and say thank you, see your face.
And then the Good Samaritan. This is where you see us on the side of the road, desperately in need for help.
Please support us.
And you give abundantly out of the kindness of your heart. The Good Samaritan. $3.34 a day. So it's like we meet every single day and you buy us a cup of coffee. Actually, that's less than a cup of coffee from Starbucks. But
yes.
Hey.
Or any coffee place in California.
Yeah. Lisa's favorite drink is $5. Fun fact. I'm just throwing it out there.
Chai latte with almond milk.
With the Good Samaritan tier, you'll get 3 video requests. So you get to request 3 separate videos.
Yes.
And then this is where this tier is unique in and of itself. It is, I think this is awesome right here. It is the Bible Study Essentials Care Package. This is our favorite Bible study tools that we handpick and send to you from us.
Yes.
What makes this special?
It's just special because this is something that's so important to us is Bible study. And we just want to select some of those things that we find helpful in study and pick them out for you and personalize them, get to know you a little bit so that we can really pick things out that we feel like would help you as well, that you would enjoy.
Yeah. So again, these are hand-picked by us, our favorite study tools that we feel would help you personally. Because again, we want to get to know you personally.
Yeah.
And then we'll get them, have them sent to you. And that's what we put an emphasis on this channel, is really growing in your walk with God through what?
Bible study.
Bible study.
Knowing His Word.
We just wanted to quickly do an overview. You can go on and read about them on there for yourself. But again, we would deeply appreciate, more than you know, if you were to come alongside us and support us on Patreon, join that community with us, because again, it's going to be personal.
Yes.
This is where we can personally build a relationship with you, and you can really help us to continue to create content, not just the same content, but better, bigger content to help reach people for the Lord.
Exactly. And if you are watching and you would like to join our Patreon team, is that what we call it? Patreon team? Community? Patreon community.
Yeah, I like that one better.
Go ahead and click the link in the description so you can go and check that out and support us.
So thank you for watching this. Again, if you haven't subscribe to this channel. Go check us out on Patreon. Like this video so YouTube will push it out to more people, and it will really help grow this community. And we appreciate that and thank you for that. And we'll see you on Patreon.
Bye.
Bye.